Yes sir, I'm back at it, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, today I got a 2008 ACURA TSX. See what we got here. We're gonna be doing the thermostat replacement. Let's get it. Alright, so what we have here, we got some leaking. He already told me to run down on a power steering leak. Power steering pump went out, broke the belt. He replaced the belt. It ran hot on him in that process, and he replaced the, what do you say? He replaced the radiator on it. It's a brand new radiator, and you can see all that white stuff. That's coolant. All that coolant. It's just dried up. Alright, so basically what we got, that's the lower hose, radiator hose. We're gonna go ahead and remove the reservoir. 10 mil right here. 10 mil right here. Got those two out. Pull that on up out of there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and remove this fan. These two 10 mils here. Remove the harness. Trying to make room so we can get down in here with no problem. Way. Alright, now we should have some room. Show you what we're working with. That's one bolt, another bolt, and another bolt. So it looks like we got three that we got to take out. Alright, that's how I'm going in. Got the extension, got a 3/8 ratchet, 10 mil deep socket, and that pretty much fits perfect. If you want to use that, what I'm about to use is this. It's gonna be a lot quicker. All right, make sure you get that drain pan up under there. Coolant will come out. And that's the thermostat. That's what we're looking at. Thermostat area. That's our new one. That's the part number. We're gonna go ahead and remove it from off the hose. All right. Yeah. Just realizing how much damage has been done to this radiator when he replaced it. But he put it in himself, so hey, it's a possibility it might leak again, but we'll see. Alright, make sure you put that gasket back in there before you reinstall. Alright, so this is what I got going. I went ahead and put it in. Put the whole thermostat in, put the bolts in, finger tight. Alright, we in there. Got all our bolts in. ahead and put that hose on there and put that clamp back. Everything back in place. Reverse order. Alright, we got our fan back in. Go ahead and put that coolant reservoir back in. Alright, we back in. Next step is just top it off, start it up. You want to turn your heater on full blast and get the air out of the cooling system. This is a good way to do it. And drive it around a couple times, you know, to get the coolant right, because it's gonna need to be driven. You know, get every air bubble out. Alright, we topped off. You want to make sure that coolant is that blue. We got it running. Got that heat going. We drive it around. Let that because that coolant level is gonna sink down. It's gonna go down. You have to fill it up some more. Top it off. It's gonna go through the system. That hand in the middle.
Okay.
That heat blowing. You ain't running hot.